Ooh, ooh. Oh my God. Leave me alone. That's my song, y'all. But, ooh, the seasoning. Jesus. Are you supposed to eat this? No. I don't even know how to eat crab legs, y'all. This is not even funny. Ooh. Pussy just crack. I need a, babe. I need a fucking, right.
I don't have any.
I need a knife.
Like a knife?
Yeah. But anyway, I want y'all to comment and give me ideas for my intro and stuff. Ooh, babe, get that knife. Yeah, so I want y'all to give me ideas. You know, for my intro and stuff. Songs, you know, just comment. And anything like y'all want me to answer for y'all. You know, any questions y'all got, I'll answer. I'm 20 years old. I don't have no kids. And like I just like vlogging and shit, like, cause like the stuff I be going through, like it just be crazy. So I just want to share it with y'all, you know, and give y'all my input on life and different things. Ooh. So, I need to show y'all this. Damn, it's mad. Ooh. So anyway, yeah. So I got 4 siblings. I got 3 little sisters and 1 little brother. And
Did you get one yet?
huh? Yeah, sure did. It's okay.
I only have 1 knife. So.
It's okay. Thank you, babe. Yeah, so just ask me questions, y'all, because I don't really know, like, what y'all. Just ask me questions and I'll answer them for y'all. But pretty much, I'm just, like, trying to go to college for, to be an accountant. So I can know about managing money and shit. Because, listen, bro. Y'all don't even understand. Listen, man. You want them?
Nah.
This is too good.
Back it up.
But, it's so good. I always wanted to be an entrepreneur. So, that's why I wanted to go to school for accounting. So I could learn how to manage my money and different things. Because I just be spending money. And I don't be saving. So, ooh. I know it's mad meat in here. Just a little bit your knife.